Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down. Now select Apps over here and click on those three dots at the top right corner. Go into Permission Manager and pick one of your device's features, like location. Then you need to select one of your apps. I will go with Maps and pick one of those options. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or deny. Don't allow, sorry. Now we go with allow all the time. So now when I go back, as you can see, Maps just gained access to this device location. But you can always just tap on one of your apps, scroll down and select See All Maps Permissions. Then adjust all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!